Hi everyone, it's Sally with Crafting Gal Sal, and today I'm going to try to work on getting my little pocket letter finished, my 3 envelope pocket letter. And so I'm going to put together a couple of these little tags and things to decorate with, and I was just going to show you how I do a couple of those, and then I'll pause it and try to get it decorated so that we won't take up so much time on the video. So anyway, I've got these cute little tags that I've bought at different places. I used my 2-inch diameter punch that I got off of Amazon to punch out some of these pretty papers in a flower design. So I took one of these already, and I've already got some glue on the back of it, and I'm going to glue it onto this cute little tag. And then I thought I'd use one of these little tags and put it together with a little brad right there so that it can move. So I'm going to do that right now. Put my little brad in there. As you can see, I went ahead and put one on the back side too, but this is my front. And now I'm just going to write something on the little tag like hope or love or something like that. So I'm just going to grab one of my pens. I think I'll write hope. Something like that. And now I'm just going to set that aside and let that ink dry. I have these cute little flower things that I bought. I don't know if I got it at Pat Catan's or Crafts 2000, something like that, but it's a Darice, and came with a whole bunch of little flowers. So I thought that looked cute there on this green one, and I was going to put a little gem on there, keep all my gems inside one of these little mason jars. So I'm going to do that. First I'm going to glue this flower onto this pretty green tag, and I'm just going to put some glue around the center part. That. And then I'm going to take the same glue and glue the back of this gem. Like that. I hope everybody's having a good day today. I took a personal day off of school today. It's like a teacher work day. But I had some personal days that I could use to stay home, so that's what I chose to do. So as you'll notice, the glue is kind of coming out from behind there, but it's okay because this glue actually dries clear. So now I'm going to set this aside. And so I've got 2 cute little decorations that I can use inside my pocket letter. Maybe glue it there, something like that. I had these that I had made before. They're stamped images from a Bible journaling stamp set that I bought, I think at Joann's. And so I had them already stamped and already mounted on the black cardstock. So these are ready to go, and I may just use one, glue one on, and then the other ones will just go as a gift, you know, put it inside the pocket for her to use. Same thing with this. I might decorate it, or I might just leave it blank and send it to decorate. These cute little envelopes, I realized this is my last one, and I love these little envelopes. I just love them. So I need to go buy some more, but I like to use these, stick them on somewhere, and then have something that can pull out. And I also like to give them as gifts. So anyway, I have a few more things to make, and I will be right back after I get these things made and show you a few more things. All right, talk to you in a minute. All right, I'm back, and you can see that I have finished decorating this cute little 3-envelope pocket letter. And I just used some stickers and some words from a paper pack that I have to put on the front. And when you open it up, it's got all my cute little things that I put on there, some stickers and the embellishments that I created. Inside the pockets, I have some goodies for my friend. She specifically only requested some stamped images, which were this little girl holding the flowers from Stampin' Up! So that's how this entire thing got started. I knew I was going to send her those images, but I wanted to send her a few other things as well, make it a little more fun. So inside this little envelope, I've got some of those, whatever they're called, I don't know, tags, and some brads to go with it. So I put that in there. In this one, I've got some of the little flowers that I used, and that's all I have in there. And then over here, I put some of the little butterflies that I used that I bought at the Dollar Tree. A lot of the stuff comes from the Dollar Tree. And then those other stamped images that I had already made. I also threw some of these cute little chipboard things in that I got from Joann's in a set. And this thing is ready to go. On the back of this, I put removable glue dots like this, removable, and that way she can take that off and use it in one of her crafts if she likes to. Over here in this little envelope, I put a BFF chipboard and I stuck it on there with a paper clip so she can pull it out. And that's pretty much it. That's really all there is to it. You just find things that you like, find things that you know your friend is going to like, and decorate it up, stuff it full of fun things, and when your loved one or friend gets this in the mail, they are gonna love it. So you can do this for grandchildren, nieces, nephews, birthdays, any type of celebration. In this case, my friend just needed a little pick-me-up. She's been going through some difficult times since her husband passed away a year ago. So I just thought she could use a little pick-me-up, and that's why I made this envelope for her. So if you need any more information or are interested in more of the things that I make, please check out my blog. It's https://CraftandGalSalPapercrafts.com, and you can sign up to get my email newsletters. I also have a YouTube channel. Obviously, you're probably there watching this now. And you can see me on Facebook, Craft and Gal Sal Paper Crafts. So have a great day. I hope this inspired you to get crafting and make some fun little envelope pocket letters for your family and friends. And until the next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye.